Hello, my name is Stina Starry-Eyed, and I am recording a quick video today to teach you 3 things you don't need to make magic with your makeup and 2 things that you do need. So, first of all, let me preface this. Please do not mind the audio in the background. I have family, I have a life, and it is going on in the background. So, the first thing you don't need to make magic with your makeup is you don't have to make your makeup to make magic with your makeup. This is a big misconception I have come across as I have worked with women and pretty men in the past. A lot of people think that to make magic, they have to make all the magical components. So to do a makeup spell, they would have to make their eyeshadow or their lip gloss or whatever magical makeup foci they are using for the spell, and that is not true. You can do makeup spells with makeup that you buy from the store. Number 2, you don't have to have a ton of makeup to make magic with your makeup. This is another very common misconception. I see women and pretty men all the time who think that they have to have, tons of makeup palettes, tons of lipsticks, and many different products, and that is also not true. You can use what you already have at home. You do not have to go out and buy a ton of new makeup products. You can use the blushes, the lipsticks, the glosses, the eyeshadows that you already have. Number 3, you don't need expensive makeup to make magic. You can use drugstore makeup. You can use products that you've made yourself. You can use mineral makeup. You can use whatever kind of makeup that you have, whatever kind of brands that you love and you use. You do not need to go spend a lot of money on new expensive makeup products to use for making spells, rituals, ceremonies, whatever magic you intend to use your makeup for. It doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be, in most cases, it doesn't have to be brand new. So, what you do need is you do need to cleanse and consecrate your makeup before you use it for a spell or for ritual use. Now, by cleansing and consecrating, I'm not talking about literally washing it with soap and water. I'm talking about purifying it. Some people used to smoke cleanse or smudge with sage. Some people prefer to use Palo Santo. Some people use salt, or they'll put their makeup out under the moonlight. These are all beautiful ways to cleanse the actual component that carries the makeup, because whether we buy it at a store or we get it sent to us, it has resonant energy from the people that have packaged it, the people who have pressed the palettes, the people who have made the products. They all has their resonant energy on it. And all of that needs to be cleansed and removed from the component and the makeup before you consecrate it or program it to a particular purpose. Now, by consecrating the makeup, that can be as simple or as elaborate as you like. Consecrating basically is stating the intended purpose that the makeup will be used for a particular spell or for ritual use, as opposed to mundane makeup, which is normally what we think of when we think of makeup. We just put it on and there's the look and we're ready to go. The last thing you do need to make magic with your makeup is you do need to program your makeup. Programming your makeup could be with an incantation, an invocation, with a ritual. You need to imbue the spell or the ritual purpose of the makeup into the makeup, and that again can be as simple or as elaborate as you want. I will be making videos in the future about how I cleanse and consecrate makeup and how I program makeup for spells that I cast. And I will be making videos in the future about specific spells that you can cast with makeup, specific makeup items that you can use for particular spells, and the ritual history of makeup. I'm going to be going into all of that. I just really wanted to get this quick video up today to, I guess, whet your appetite and tell you a little bit about makeup. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're really interested in makeup or magic and how you can use them together. If you're interested in glamour or beauty rituals in any capacity, I invite you to subscribe and stay tuned. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.